de kana che ti te Rwot Patiko ma don ka cha Rwot Payira bi Rwot Patiko cha lu de tu che dong nero mi em o mi nge
ka dong da ki kin Rwot Patiko ki in ka de wa di binu ka nyo ti wa no ni enu de
both make Patiko to away stop when I was to the tiga divide one Patiko ke otke.
The Council of Elders of Ker Kwaro Patiko has protested the intended visit to Ker Patiko by Rwot of Payira, Rwot Honen David Achana II. Rwot Honen David Achana is expected to visit his nephews at Ker Patiko tomorrow at the home of Rwot Collins Atiko Motu II in Kanyagoga, White Ngurusiri. The elders of Ker Kwaro Patiko said that the visit is ill-intended as Rwot Patiko is not aware on the development.
kita wano ti ko di Patiko lok chaka ki board ki ot magin wano ye Rwot ka lok tie board bedu loko kama gutie one gitie ko kama pe gutie one irifari board
de kana che ti te Rwot Patiko ma don ka cha Rwot Payira bi Rwot Patiko cha lu de tu che dong nero mi em o mi nge ma ti wek yup kama lu ti no ma me ti yup ben ba ti yo ario achel ki jole cha nero muno chulu ngi ke jole ke nero ario ki jole cha Rwot mi ke mu kere e do ni ke mu kere ke Payira ki ke Patiko ni mo pon kingi nero ke nero ye only 3 days ma lo me lo eni pero ate me jole en birulam chama ya chu chwa mir ni en kit di pa ko ro ma chonni wo ku bi chara nyim Patiko na ya pyo nyu char chi po me ro wan ma chak char tin pa me ro chara wo juma jo ki de ni
Rwot Collins Atiko Motu II was the chairperson of the governing council of Rwot ACHOLI under the leadership of the then paramount chief of ACHOLI, Rwot Honen David Achana II. Not until the 20th June 2023 when Rwot voted Rwot Honen Achana out and replaced him with Rwot Richard Santos Apire of Ker Kwaro Patiko as the new paramount chief of ACHOLI. Rwot Collins Atiko Motu II was voted as his deputy in charge of West ACHOLI. The elders Ker Kwaro Patiko are saying the visit by Rwot Honen David Achana to Ker Patiko should be called off as they are not ready at this time to receive him. They said it is until the impasse at Ker Kwaro ACHOLI is resolved amicably, because this will fuel conflict among the peaceful clan members of Patiko.
lim Rwot of Payira David Honen Achana ma rio me biru gang pa muru ni liel poke ni wanoni pedie ke intention mabe pingo tori mwa adido nero to nera etelo yo wieti chero ka penyo teto pa ke yune nyo ke yune the man to ne yi beru pake wakakaro malaj chinge yok te chake manong na kinrudi kadong inoni ni dong ibini liel gang pala wori pao tika tele kwede
Ngat ma wano no pore me jolo Rwot Achana ene Rwot Patiko Rwot jolo Rwot na wore Rwot bene logo ki Rwot na wore chi dong wa bino no ni la dit Rwot Achana lo mi mit ki Rwot na wore tika bino dong ka donyo ki pot ki piano matino en mini do pa de piano ku both make Patiko to away stop when I was tika bino ni tika divide one Patiko ke otke kun one ma cha both ene wa wa otke kun be dong tika poko one both to